Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom tokens in Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a powerful Ethereum wallet that lets you store ETH, NFTs and thousands of Ethereum based tokens. However, sometimes a token you've received does not automatically appear in your wallet, especially if it's a new low cap or custom token. And that doesn't mean your crypto is missing. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to add custom tokens in Rainbow Wallet so you can view and manage them very safely. So first you need to open to the Rainbow Wallet and make sure you're on the main wallet dashboard. If you do not have a Rainbow Wallet, you can simply go to the Play Store or the App Store and you can download it from there as well. And if the token doesn't appear in the search, over here scroll all the way to the down and tap the add tokens or use the search icon to look for a token, or simply paste the token contract address, usually from the CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko or the project's official website. Rainbow Wallet will automatically detect the token name, symbol and the decimals. And once the details load, you can select add token or import to add it to your wallet, and the token will now show your main wallet screen. And only add contact addresses from the trusted sources. Fake tokens and scam contracts are common, so always double check before importing. And that's how you can add custom token in Rainbow Wallet easily and securely. If this tutorial helped you, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.